viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my video. How is it going so far? God is good all the time. Alright, this morning I'm going to cook some, or today or tonight I'm going to cook some oxtail. Alright, and as I say in my previous video, I show you how I season it already. For those who don't watch it, I'm going to show you the seasoning that I use to season my oxtail. Alright, so when I washed it first, use lemon or vinegar on it, and then I season. So I'm just going to show you my seasoning. So watch the process as I go. And I'm going to pressure it today. Just going to pressure it. So I put a little ginger on it, a little pimento also, for those who don't watch as yet, and my seasoning salt, my Maggi seasoning salt, and my slap your mama. Alright, also I put some browning on it. Okay guys, so that's all my season along with my salt. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I cook it. I don't have any broad bean to put in it, so I'm just going to use what I have. Either I'm going to put some carrots in it, or make some small spinners, because you have to turn it on and make fashion when you don't have everything. Alright, so this is my meat, all the seasoning and everything. So these are my seasoning that I put in it, and if you don't watch my video as yet, you can go and watch it how I season it. Alright, so I put my I'm just going to put some water in the pot, and then I cook it down. Okay, no oil, because this has in a lot of oil. So I'm just going to put the water in it and simmer it down. So watch the process as I go. So my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. Over here I have my pot already. So I just put some water in it. So I'm going to put my meat in. Alright, now let me know how you cook your oxtail. Alright, and do you love oxtail? I know it has a lot of bone, but I love it. So let me put the bit my, can you see? You're not going to see because it's kind of a dark, but you see as I go. You can see when I stir it like this. So I'm just going to pressure it. I'm going to put some more hot water in it. I'm not going to brown it, like it has a lot of browning already. So I'm going to get some hot water over here. And I seasoned this from last week Saturday, so you know it's well soaked. And as I say, I was going to get some bean, but it's not possible for me to get the bean again. So you can see. Alright, let me put it out a bit. Right, it's a bit dark, but I'm still going to show you it. This is it. Alright, so I'm going to let it stay there and cook. Okay guys, so watch the process as I go. And I like to pre-season my meat. When you pre-season, it's soaked, the meat is better, tastes much better. Alright, so watch the process. I'm going to cover it for a while. Alright, welcome back guys. So my meat is almost cooked. I have some carrot and Irish, because I don't have any bean, so I'm just going to use these. Let me know if you ever tried this one before by using carrots or Irish. Can you see? This is what I'm going to cook down in my oxtail. Okay. So I'm going to season it now. I'm going to allow these to cook the next 15 minutes. These carrots and Irish will cook. Okay, so watch the process as I go. I'm going to get some seasoning ready. Alright, guys, you can see my subscribers, thank you again for subscribing to my channel. You're so nice to me. It's a blessing. Alright, so it's almost there, and I say this will take like an hour to cook. Sometimes it can be softer, but it takes like an hour. Alright, so I'm going to put my seasoning, my onion, my hot peppers, my sweet peppers, my scallion. Alright, just going to cook it down like this. And the taste is okay, guys. You put your seasoning on it, whatever seasoning you want, put it to your taste. Everybody cooks in different ways and means and forms. Alright, if you can take a little bit more salt than me, you can do that. Alright, if you want it to be darker, you can put it a darker color. Alright, so this is my way of doing it. Okay, no, I have no bean, and you can cook without beans or peas or whatever you want to put in it. You can cook without beans. Alright, tasting so good. Let me put a little bit of ketchup in it, or sauce. I'm just going to put a little bit of ketchup in it. No more ketchup left. Okay, jingle. Something there. So my subscribers and all those that are watching, all my families, my lovely families. Oh, my ketchup was finished, so I got to get another bottle. Alright, so I just put a little ketchup in it. You don't have to, but I just put a little in mine. So you cook to your taste. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, thank you for watching. This is the way how I cook it. If I don't have like my beans, you put whatever you want to put in it. Alright, whatever, you cook it in your way. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for blessing up my channel. Thank you for all my subscribers. Blessing every time. Alright, pick up yourself. Just pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. Alright, you can see. And my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished product. Alright, thank you for watching. Blessing. See you in my next video.